Hello everyone. Ever thought boredom could be a shortcut to a better life? What if I tell you the secret to productivity isn't hustle but boredom? Yes, you heard that right. You need to know what's hiding in your boredom that could change everything. Boredom is like a blank canvas. You either paint it beautifully or you can leave it as it is. This video is all about turning your canvas, which is boredom, into a masterpiece of intentional living. The worst part is most people fail, and you will know how to avoid it at the end of this video. And it is damn simple. It literally took me a year to keep working on it so that you don't have to. So, here's my radical claim. Boredom is the easiest way to rebuild consistency, creativity, and self love. And I'll show you how to do it in just 4 steps. Before actually getting into 4 steps, let me tell you the boring truth. Why doing less helps you achieve more? Here's the answer. Boredom is easy, it's free, it's always available, and it's way more powerful than motivation. Think about it. Motivation is flaky, it comes and goes, but boredom, it's relentless. It shows up every time you are avoiding something important, and instead of fighting it, I have learned to use it. Let me prove it. A 2014 study in the Journal of Experimental Social Psychology found that people who leaned into boredom became more creative and better at solving complex problems. Why? Because boredom stripes away distractions and forces your brain to confront what's actually bothering you. Let's break down why we hate boredom. Here's the expectation. We think boredom means we are failing. You think like, I should be doing something productive. I'm just wasting my time. But the reality is, boredom is your brain's way of saying, hey, you are avoiding something important. Maybe it's a project you are scared to start, a habit you have neglected, or a dream you have buried under Netflix marathons. Here's the kicker. When you numb boredom with distractions, you are stealing from your future self. But when you lean into it, you unlock clarity. You start asking, what do I really want? And that's where the magic begins. 3 months ago, I was stuck. I wanted to write a book, but I couldn't stick to a routine. Then I noticed something. Every day at exactly 2 pm, I would get bored and reach for my phone. So I decided to experiment. Instead of scrolling, I would write one sentence in my journal, just one. Some days it was garbage, other days it sparked ideas. But within a month, those boredom sentences turned into 30-minute writing sessions. Now, I have written 77 pages. Boredom wasn't my enemy, it was my accountability partner, and it can be yours too. Here's how to turn boredom into your secret weapon. Step number 1. The 5-minute boredom audit. Next time boredom hits, set a timer for 5 minutes. Sit and question yourself. Maybe you can ask why you are feeling bored, or you can even ask yourself, is there anything that you need to do to just help yourself out? Questioning helps to know yourself more. Step number 2. Assign a boredom mission. Pick one tiny action aligned with your goals. If you are creative, draw something. It may be a monkey or a lion, your wish. If you are a fitness freak, do squats or lift weights. If you are learning mathematics, learn any one theorem or formulas. After learning something, you will get instant confidence and it boosts your energy. Step number 3. Turn it into a ritual. Use boredom as a cue, not a crisis. It means put this in your mind. If you ever feel bored, you will just read a page. That's it. 1 page. Enough. You don't have to stress yourself. Step number 4. Celebrate the boring wins. Think, what if you have chosen to listen to an educational podcast over gaming? What if you have chosen to text a friend to know how he is instead of scrolling Instagram for hours and hours? This boring wins always leads to bigger changes. Here comes the worst part, which is why most people fail and how to avoid it. Let me tell you the brutal truth. This only works if you are willing to be awkward. The first few times you try this, it will feel cringy. You'll sit there thinking this is pointless. And that's normal. Your brain is addicted to quick dopamine hits. But here's how to push through. Start stupidly small. One push up, one sentence, enough. Pair boredom with something fun. For example, if you hate doing exercises, dance. Dance by putting some guilty pleasure song. That's it. Remind yourself this awkward phase is the price of a better life. Now, it's your turn. Tell me what's your first boredom mission in the comments. I would love to know. I hope this helps. Bye. See you soon.